Have you ever tried to read a book in a loud room? It's tough. Our minds are constantly racing, moving from one thought to the next. That's what our brains are going through every single day. Look around you. Your phone won't stop buzzing, messages are piling up, and there's an endless flow of entertainment just clicks away. Every second, something grabs your attention and pulls you away from your goals. One sec. Recently, it feels like staying focused has become almost impossible. But how did we get here? And more importantly, how do we take back control? The year is 2024. In today's world, we're drowning in entertainment. Technology is training our brains to look for distraction at every opportunity, leaving little space for deep thinking or meaningful connections. Now we're stepping into a new era, with mixed reality and AI, further blurring the lines between our digital and physical lives. This cycle isn't just annoying, it's literally reshaping our brains. Our brains weren't built for the kind of multitasking that digital distractions create. What we think of as multitasking is really just switching between tasks at a rapid pace. And here's the issue. Studies show that it takes about 23 minutes for your brain to fully refocus after being disrupted. Constant distraction increases the production of cortisol, the stress hormone, and dopamine, which is linked to instant gratification. This chemical cocktail can lead to a reduction in gray matter in the prefrontal cortex. That part of the brain is responsible for decision making, attention control, and emotional regulation. Ouch. Multitasking literally lowers your IQ. Researchers at the University of London found that digital multitasking has twice the impact of smoking cannabis on focus. Every notification chips away at your cognitive abilities. The study shows that concentration was the most sought-after skill for employers in 2023. It's becoming more and more rare, and as a result, more valuable. We're losing our ability to focus on the present, to deep dive into our thoughts, and to truly connect with others. And the danger is real. Without taking breaks from our digital lives, we risk becoming slaves to distraction, unable to focus on what really matters. So the big question here is, how do we improve our ability to focus? Like a gardener preparing soil for their plants, you have to create a workspace that encourages focus, a clean, organized space, both physically and digitally. Since we can't change our brains, we have to change our environments. My morning work routine begins with a simple reorganizing of my work desk, so I can start the new day with a clean slate. Surprisingly, I feel a little bit better and more focused when I do this simple exercise. Habits are the foundations of discipline. By building daily routines, you reduce decision fatigue, which makes it easier to adopt better habits. This way, you avoid falling into bad decisions when you're too tired to put in the effort. The issue with social media is that it's become a habit. We turn to it without thinking about the drawbacks, which is why I decided to block access to Twitter and Instagram every day from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. because I know they distract me. I've chosen deep focus so that the tired version of me this afternoon won't sabotage my efforts. As Cal Newport explains in his book Deep Work, setting uninterrupted blocks of time to engage in deep work increases both the quality and the speed of the work. Focus is like a muscle. Just because you're starting out weak doesn't mean you have to stay that way forever. Activities like meditation, reading, and puzzles are all within your reach and are all great ways to help you build the skill of focus. Just reading 20 minutes a day has been linked to reduced stress, improved memory, better sleep, and most importantly, the ability to focus for longer periods of time. By the way, if you're interested in a list of my favorite books on focus and productivity, you can check those out in the link below. We're also working on an Opal book club, so stay tuned for that as well. Ultimately, regaining focus in the modern world is a challenge, but also an opportunity to set yourself apart from the rest. So, if you're ready to build your peaceful space in the midst of all the chaos, then these 3 solutions are within your reach right now. The only step left is to take action. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.